Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to reset Windows 10. Windows 10 is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, and while Windows 11 is nipping at its heels, most of us will still be running Microsoft's current OS for the foreseeable future. And even if you use it every day, there's always more to learn. Maybe you don't consider yourself a power user, or perhaps you've made the leap from macOS to Windows. Whatever your comfort level, these tips will help you get more out of your Windows 10 experience. Some of these tricks originated from an older generation of Windows, while others are new to this iteration. If you are having issues on your Windows 10 PC, then there is nothing to worry about. Similar to smartphones, now Windows 10 features a full-fledged reset functionality which allows you to keep your personal files and reset your computer to the latest Windows 10 build. During this process, none of your personal files and folders will be touched except for the C drive, and all the programs installed from Microsoft Store will also be installed automatically. Thankfully, some of your Windows settings will also remain intact even after the reset. So if you ever need to reset your Windows 10 computer in the future, then open Windows Security from the Start menu. Navigate to Device Performance and Health. Locate where it's written additional information, which should be under Fresh Start. Now all you have to do is to click on Get Started. That's all. However, I would recommend you to back up your crucial files on Windows 10 before going through the reset process, because once it resets there is no coming back. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.